All right, so today I'm going to be talking about Humira, which is a shot that injection that I use for psoriasis. Um, I get these delivered from the company, and they come in coolers, and you get two shots each. You do a shot every other week. These have to be kept refrigerated, but they hurt less if you take them out and let them sit on your counter for about an hour. And the medicine's still good if it's just an hour. And then do the injections. And so they are an automatic pin. I'm just going to go ahead and open this. Okay, on each side, this will say 1. So this is the cap that you're going to take off first. And then this says number 2, which is the next cap you're going to take off. Okay, so this is live and active, and once you push this button, the needle will come out. So if you see in the little window right there, that's the medication in there, and you always want to check to make sure there's no discolorations or flakes in there. The Humira shots are cool because they come with alcohol swabs to clean the area before you inject. You can inject into your thigh or your stomach. It hurts less if you inject into your stomach, so I do it in my stomach. So you're going to see my fat stomach. So we're going to clean the area off of the alcohol swab, and now put this like this, and then you're gonna hear it and hold for 10 seconds. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and you pull out directly. And then now the cool thing about it, the needle is inside there, so you're not gonna have a live needle poking. And with the company of Humira, they do provide you with sharp buckets, to put these in, and then you just call them and tell them when it's full, and they'll send you a sticker so you can mail it back, and then they'll mail you a new one. So this is going to be put in my sharps. There is a couple ways you can track about your injections. They give you a book that you can write which days you did your shots and times, and then there's a code on here somewhere that you write. Or you can actually download an app, which is a lot easier, and you just push a button, and once you sign up and register and everything, and then you push a button telling them what kind of Humira shots there are, because there's 2 different ones, so you just got to check the one you did, and you say where on your body you did it. So I would tell them I did it on my right side of my stomach, and there's a little graph, and you just push the square and tell them that's where it is. And then it asks if you did it in the doctor's or at home, and you tell it, I would say at home. And then it's in my app now, knowing, because they don't want you going back and doing the injections in the same spots over and over. And so far I've had good out of this psoriasis. My face is a lot better, but as you can see on my arms, they're still very thick and dry and everything. But if you have any questions, just leave comments down below and I will answer them.
This thing keeps self-focusing, but you got it all, but it's just your phone's constantly trying to focus.
It's because of me moving and the lighting.